Hey champs, today we are going to learn how to handle response in Next.js. So let's we start now. So I'm going to in API section. So we are going to learn API response. Now going to API folder and create a new folder which name is helpers and the file is output.ts. Now we are creating a function export async function makes success response and the other function is export async function make error response. Okay, now first we are here response return response.json msg as msg and msg data as data. Now we need to add both parameters there message as a string and the data as any. So it will object or array anything. Now the success response function is done. Return response to JSON msg msg message and error code. Error code is what error of coming in error response. Okay, so now declare this variable error code error code error code as number. Okay, function implement is not immediately. Okay, and the message variable we declare here because we got the message from error code. Now we will doing further message let const message. This is message. This is error message. Okay. Now we can check both functions success response and error response in the route. Return make success response. The first parameter is message. This is success message and the other one is data. So I can choose data here. Now we can check this. This is a success message. So what message we have written? If I written here another thing, so it will written here. Okay, now HHH, and now going to make error dynamic. Okay, so this is the success message. You can add success message here, but in the error case, we need to make error response as dynamic. So first, return make error response. Need to add both make error response and make success from helpers output. Okay. Okay. Now the first, this is the error code. Now I'm choosing true here. Okay. And going to here. This is the error code and this is an error message. Now I'm hit again this. So this is error message and error code too. And now make this error message as dynamic. What code I choose according to error code. Okay. Now going to here, create a file, new file, msg.ts. Okay. Now declare a variable const, let msg any. Now define a variable and choose as msg as 2, and now I can add here the list is not coming, and the other one is message 3. The list is not working properly. Now we have two messages, and now export default message. Now going to the output and msg message, import this first here, import msg from m dot msg. Okay, now check something is export default msg. Okay, import msg from expected ts. I don't know what is the issue. Okay, import msg from msg. Okay, I don't know what is the issue. Okay, go here, message, and add error code here. Now this message will be dynamic. Now we can check, go to the route section and add this as 3 and go to the browser This will be changed. This list is not working properly. So this message is dynamic now. Now if we can change error code 3, so this message will be changed. Now going to here, make this as 2 and the message will be changed. So now friends, we have checked how to implement dynamic error message. So first need to create an output and make two functions, error response and success response, and add anything here. Okay, and if you want to add some error code, status code here, you can choose like this if you want. But if you don't want, no need to add anything here. Okay, and declare a message file. You can declare a message file and import this in output and make as dynamic. Okay, so friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, subscribe, and comments if you want anything from my side, and share this video with your friends and colleagues who wants to learn programming. Thank you very much for watching.